Oh my god, I don't know what I'm saying. The house these are the what? So lashes are on. These are the House of Lashes Iconic Lights. So lashes are on. These are the House of Lashes Iconic Light. Oh my lord.
Baby, you got something special. Your body is a work of art, but we got a little issue.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I came up with this eye look for you guys. I was really inspired by one of my favorite YouTubers. Her name is Roxana. If you don't know her, I'll leave her link down below, but you should definitely watch her videos. She is honestly so pretty, like goals. But I was really inspired by one of her videos, so I decided to go ahead and recreate one of her looks, and this is what I came up with, and I think it turned out really awesome. So if you guys want to know how I got it, then go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and prime with my Sharp Shape Tape Concealer in light medium. So I'm not going to go ahead and set my eyelids because apparently if you don't set your eyelids, the colors are more vibrant. I don't know if I believe that, but in this look, I'm going to go ahead and try that. Okay, so the first transition color is going to be this color right here called Champs from ColourPop. Take that on a Morphe 504 and then go ahead and apply that to my crease. And as I apply my transition colors, I'm going to make sure to go ahead and wing it out, so that it elongates my eye with every shade I use. I'm just going to go ahead and just kind of make sure I get the outer corner and flick it out like so. And then I'm going to take the color right next to it called Big Cocktails and then go ahead and apply that to my crease as well. And this shade is a little bit more peachy, orangey color, so I'm going to go ahead and concentrate it at the outer corner and then work my way in. I'm going to take the Morphe M433 brush, which is a lot smaller and more tapered, and I'm going to take that same color and just make sure to go ahead and concentrate it on my outer corner and really flick this color out. And then with that first light color, what is that called? Champs, this peachy pink color, I'm going to go ahead and just blend out the edges on the top really lightly so that everything is nice and seamless when I add my brow bone highlight. Just gonna make sure to blend. Alright, so that's pretty much it. And now for that little center lid shade, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease with the shadow. I'm not gonna use any like concealer or anything because I don't want a super harsh cut crease, so I'm just gonna take whatever I have on the brush from the shadow and then kind of carve out where I want my crease to be. I'm gonna go ahead and take Suze from the Dose of Colors DesixKaty collection and apply that to my lid. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take this color, what is it? Note to Self, which is like a really nice medium brown. And I'm just gonna take a little bit of that on the Morphe brush and go ahead and add that to the outer corner so it's so it gives a little bit of depth and definition, and then blending that shimmer shade out as well. Alright, and that's basically it for the eyes. I'm just gonna go ahead and add some of that color to my lower lash line as well. Alright, so that's what the shadows look like. I'm gonna go ahead and tightline, add some waterline mascara, and then my House of Lashes Iconic Lights, and then show you guys what the eyes look like once they're all done. Alright, lashes are on, and this is what the look turns out. I think it's really nice. It's very peachy, but I like that center shimmer shade. It's just a really nice pop of color, and it makes your eyes look really pretty. And I really want to snatch the edges, so I'm going to take a little bit of my I'm gonna take a little bit of my Tarte Shape Tape and go ahead and clean up the edges and really snatch it because I really want that like crisp line. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit of concealer here and then under my eyes and then blend it out with my little Real Technique sponge. And then to finish up the eyes, I'm just going to go ahead and highlight my brow bone. This really nice light peach color called Full Zip, and then just apply that to my brow bone. And it's a nice peachy pink matte shade, so it's just going to tie in the whole look. Wow. Wow. And I really like ColourPop shadows. They're really smooth and I find that they blend out super easy. They're just a little powdery and like messy, but it's not that big of a deal. They perform really well, so I like. And I'm just gonna add a little bit to my inner corner so that it brightens it up, and then add my highlight there as well. Alright, so this is what the completed eye look looks like after all my makeup is done. I have my highlight, my lips are done, and eyes are complete. I think it turned out awesome. I really like that little peachy crease and a really nice like golden eye. I think it just kind of complements my eyes and it just makes them look really bright and awake. So if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. As always, follow me on my social medias and leave your video requests down below, and I'll talk to you guys. See you in my next video. Bye. See you guys in hi. So this is what the Alright, so this is what the completed looks like. I can't talk today. Oh my god.